Learn to be a hunter, not a lion. Because a wise man is one who is capable of catching a tiger by using his intellect. Friends, you know today that people are trying to become like lion, but human intelligence makes better than a lion. Most of the people in trying to become a lion harm themselves and others, while human intelligence and mind is a very special gift given by nature, which not everyone knows how to use. Do you know why a lion is a lion? Because he knows how to use his strength, and a man is a wise man only when he learns to use his intellect properly. God has made you human, so try to be a right and good human being, and not an animal or a lion. Because a hunter has the ability to control a tiger only because of his intelligence, no matter how strong a lion is. But he becomes helpless in front of a hunter, so always remember that the strength of the mind is greater than the strength of the body, which God has only given. It has been given to man. Now we will tell you 5 things. If you pay attention to them, you can play the role of a hunter in any matter of life. Now we will tell you 5 things. If you pay attention to them, you can play the role of a hunter in any matter of life. Number 1, think a little before taking any step. Because in haste, one always makes mistakes. Number 2, always focus on your target and your goal, whatever up you want to achieve. Number 3, gather all the information for your target and your goal. Whatever your aim is, you should have all the information you need. Number 4, keep your safety at the first, so that no one can harm you. Number 5, never forget the difference between man and animal. That is, if you want to hunt someone or get something, then don't forget that hunting is done to an animal and not to a human being, because there is only one rule to find a person, and that is love and feelings. So don't be lion, but try to be a hunter. Try to be a human, not an animal. I hope you will try to become a hunter by being a human, so that you don't spoil someone's life by becoming a lion. Hunting is the law of the jungle. We live among humans. It requires us to be a good human being. Thanks for watching.